Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss worksheet 16 from DOE, schedule 10th August 2020, and today we'll be going to start your new chapter, electricity. Student, what is electricity? Electricity is nothing but the flow of electrons or flow of charges. So we can simply define it in a single sentence that the flow of charges is called electricity. So, what is charge? Charge is a fundamental property of an atom. The atom are constituent of electron, proton, and neutron. As we know, any atom it is made up of electron, proton, and neutron. And electron has negative charge, proton has positive charge, and neutrons are neutral. So we can say that electric charge is the property of matter that causes it to experience force because of these charges. So charge may be positive and negative, of course, and like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. As you can see over here, these positive charges they repel each other, whereas these negative charges they again repel each other, but this opposite charge, positive and negative charge, they attract each other. What is the SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Coulomb is the SI unit of charge and it can be written as C. The charge on one electron is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So if the charge on electron is E and N is the number of electron passing through any point in time t, then the charge Q can be written as, so we can write Q as N into E. And if we want to find out the number of electrons, then we have Q by E is equal to N. By using this formula, we can calculate the number of electrons. See, in this case, like we have Q is equal to N into E. So we would like to know the number of electrons. So we have 1 coulomb of charge, that N is equal to 1 upon charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. This minus 19 when moves on upward it will become positive. So we have, if we remove this decimal, we have this 10. So 10 upon 16 into 10 raised to power 19. If we divide this, we have 0.625 into 10 raised to power 19. And if we shift this decimal, then this number will become into 10 raised to power 18, sorry. So by this way we can calculate the number of electrons. Okay. So next we have students, we can say that 1 coulomb is equal to charge on 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons. Next we have electric current. Electric current is expressed by the amount of charges flowing through a particular area in unit time. In words, we can say the rate of flow of charge. In a single sentence, if we define electric current, then we can say the rate of flow of electric charge is called current. If the net charge Q flow across any cross section of a conductor in time t, then I through the cross section we have I is equal to Q upon T. So SI unit of current is ampere and it is named after the scientist Andre Marie Ampere. And if we want to define 1 ampere, then we have 1 coulomb of charge divided by 1 second. So we can define it as when the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. 1 ampere can be defined as 1 coulomb of charge per second. And again we have a numerical base value which can be used. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. 1 microampere is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere. And ammeter is the instrument which is used to measure the electric current in a circuit. It is always connected in series. Please remember, it is always connected in series. Direction of flow of current in a circuit is always from positive to negative. Positive terminal of cell to negative terminal of the cell. And what is electric potential? The work done in a current carrying conductor to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a point A is called electric potential. Means the amount of work done to move a unit charge from infinity to a particular point is called electric potential. So let's do practice exercise. First question we have, as a unit of charge, charge is coulomb and current is ampere. Next, second question we have a numerical. See how we can calculate this. A current of 5 ampere, current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by the filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Time we have 10 minutes. We can convert it into seconds by multiplying it with 60. We have 600 seconds. Then find out the amount of electric charge. You have to find out Q. So students, we have this formula, I is equal to Q upon T. You have to find out Q. So this T will be transformed to this side and multiplied. So the formula will become like this. Q is equal to I into T. So we have 0.5 into 10 raised into 600. Point, if you remove this point, we'll have this 10 by this way. This 0 and 0 cancel, 5 6 the 30 and this 0, it will become 300 coulomb. So this is all about your worksheet, and I hope you understand it very well. If you really liked it, do share and subscribe. Thank you.